guys. Oh gosh. Hey guys, Token here, and today we're gonna play some, Mortal Kombat X. So yeah, I can't do an epic voice. I'm not used to commentating, but in fact, yeah, I have no idea. This gonna be a fail, but I'm horrible at this game too. Run fight. Why would that be one of the? I'm my voice of throat problems. Yeah, I'm horrible at commenting right now. Okay, there we go. So yeah, we're playing Mortal Kombat X. I'm just not used to commentating on this game, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, this is amazing. So I'll be Kenshi balanced, and I guess not picking Ermac. He's cheap. Ermac is so easy to play with. He's like at a night.
Melina.
Random.
Quan Chi.
Let's go very easy, so I went, let's go easy. I suck at this game, so. Okay. My voice is so weird right now. Let go with this. Yeah, this is good. This is good. I think I will. I don't know. But yeah, I got Mortal Kombat. Oh wow.
I will put you down, dog.
Shinnok let you off leash?
Indeed.
I'm gonna look at some of the moves. I forgot some of them.
Now feel
Let's
my
go.
bite.
Let's
Round
go. I'll
one.
be you.
Fight.
Yeah. Let go. What? Okay, at first I thought okay, yeah, this is really slow. Like, not like the game's laggy or anything, but it's like the commentary is slow. I don't know, I just don't know what to talk about this game. Let's see, maybe if I was playing with my friends or something, that'd be better. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. Yeah.
You will obey.
Sure about that? Yeah, I won the first round.
You show little promise.
Round
Get
two.
wrecked.
Fight.
Okay. Yeah!
You earned that.
Man.
Your resistance puzzles me.
Yes! Oh, probably put violent on the violent in parentheses on the title. When I upload this, I'm horrible at this. I don't know, maybe it's just because I'm fighting right now. I don't know. Okay, let's look at some of these. Okay, right, left. Wait, right, left, right. Yeah. There we go. Yes! I'm gonna put violent, or very violent in the title. There we go. Yeah.
Kenshin wins. Fatality.
I should, maybe if I had a topic or something. Oh, I guess I'll tell you why I haven't been uploading, I guess. So, you guys might already know, but the reason I haven't been uploading is because I've been waiting for my computer upgrade. obviously it's here because, you know, my old biggest computer, or old, not as good of the version of computer I have right now, not be able to play this. Or I might be able to play it on low settings, but this is on high settings right now. And yeah, I don't know who to be. Should I be like, let's be Johnny Cage. Okay, we'll go against, let's go against, I don't know who to be. Guess I'll go against a bad guy. Let's go against Shinnok. I want him to look retarded because he honestly does look pretty stupid. The samurai thing. Except, and again, I kind of look stupid in real life. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking now. Okay. Okay, so why am I still doing easy? Okay. Okay, so let's just keep it on this one. I don't know why. But next time I record this, it's gonna be on medium.
You shouldn't be here.
And every video, I'll just work back up.
Question me.
Okay. Why an ass for a face?
Round
Oh
one.
gosh, I just bumped my mic. Okay, let's look at some of these. Okay, let's do not break. Oh gosh. Ah, yes. Yes, very much. Ah, no. Actually, I'm gonna look at its fatality really quick. Oh, I wanna do that one. Left, right, X, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, okay. This is very nice, man. I mean, either was that. Go back to the. Oh, yeah, well, it's topic. So, yeah, I kind of already said why. Yeah, it took a while to get the stuff I wanted on my computer, and I don't have all the stuff I want on my computer right now.
Really?
But I do have like Cinema 40 again on my computer. Guys, I'm doing horrible. Dude, he's on easy and he's beating me.
Martini
I
shot.
can't let that happen. I can't let that happen. Okay, how do you do? Flashy shadow kick. Let's do that. Really? Is that the flashy shot? Boo. Boo. Oh, my voice.
Someone got a shot of that.
Really?
This ends with your death.
You know what?
Round two. Fight.
You really want to play that game? Yeah. Yeah. This is how we do it. Obviously, that wasn't as violent as the last one. The last one, he had the sword going through the head and everything. Everything. Yeah. Die real good. Yeah.
Join me down. Thank you and good night.
Okay, I have an idea. In the comments,
Round.
I guess. Comment. Okay. He stole my stuff. How you do this? Not my ass. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore, okay? Yeah. But yeah. I was running up the wall, man. You don't do that to a man running up the wall. You don't do that. It's just not right. Yeah, okay, so in the comments just put a topic. And I'll do that topic. Or I'll choose out of the topics if there's one topic. If there's one I generally like to do. Okay. Oh.
Thank you and good night.
How do I know? Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Hey.
Finish.
Okay. So, right, left, X. Right, left, X. Oh, this one's nice. Oh, I love this one.
Here's Johnny.
Yes. Best reference
Johnny
in
Cage
this game.
wins. Fatality.
Yeah, that was... Okay, well... Yeah, that was the end of my video. Best ending ever. Okay, best reference in the game. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Tell me if you want more Mortal Kombat X. If you don't, just say this sucks. But please, I didn't have a topic this time, but yeah. Just put a good topic down in the comments below, and I'll try to do that topic. And yeah, I should be having more uploads because now I have my computer back and I can record. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, or if you enjoyed the video. I'm saying, if you haven't already, just please subscribe. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like, but it's up to you. It's totally up to you. But yeah, comment down a topic down below. Comment down a topic down below. Comment down a topic down below, and we might do it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Peace out. Yeah, this is...